Welcome once again to MathsKeypoints. Today we shall be looking at undefined fractions. Don't forget, this is the channel for the solution to O-level mathematics exam questions, especially for those preparing for WAEC, NECO, and JAMB exams. Let's do justice to this topic. Okay, let's take the first key point. It says a fraction is said to be undefined if the denominator is equal to what? 0. So if you have 1/2, example, the 1 on top is called what? The numerator, and the 2 below is called what? The denominator. So let's take the first question. The first question says, find the value of x for which the fraction x squared plus 7x minus 8 all over 5x minus 20 is what? Undefined. We say solution x squared plus 7x minus 8 all over 5x minus 20. For this fraction to be undefined, it simply means that 5x minus 20 must be equal to what? 0. So from here, we add 20 to both sides. 5x minus 20 plus 20 is equal to what? 0 plus what? 20. So this 20 goes out. We are left with 5x as equal to what? 20. Dividing both sides by 5, we have 5 here 1, 5 here 1, 5 here 1, 5 here 4. We now have that x is equal to what? 4. So this is our answer. The question says find the value of x for which this fraction is undefined. The value of x for which this fraction is undefined is x equal to 4. Let's go to the next question. Okay, the question 2 says for what value of x is a fraction 2x minus 16 all over x squared minus 11x plus 24 undefined. So we say solution. We have 2x minus 16 all over x squared minus 11x plus 24. Now this simply means for this fraction to be undefined, the denominator x squared minus 11x plus 24 must be equal to what? 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. We need two numbers that when you add them, you have minus 11, and when you multiply them, you have plus 24. Now the two numbers are minus 3 and minus 8. If you add it, you have minus 3 plus minus 8, which gives you minus 3 minus 8, which is minus 11. And when you multiply them, you have minus 3 times minus 8. This minus will turn to plus because you are multiplying. You have plus what? 24. So these two numbers are x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 8 all equal to what? 0. Now if you expand this, if you factorize or if you expand, you're going to have x squared minus 11x plus 24 also. Now this simply means either x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 8 is equal to 0. So from here, this simply means x is equal to what? 3, and from here x is equal to what? 8. Now the question says for what value of x is a fraction undefined? The values of x are x equal to 3 and x equal to 8. So this is the answer for the fraction to be what? Undefined. We go to the next question, which is the last. It says given that a is equal to 5x plus 6 all over x minus 7, for what value of x is a undefined? Now very simple, we say solution. A is given as 5x plus 6 all over x minus 7. Now for what value of x is a undefined? For a to be undefined simply means that the denominator x minus 7 will be equal to what? 0. Adding 7 to both sides, we have x minus 7 plus 7 as equal to 0 what? Plus 7. These two will go. We are left with x is equal to what? 7. So for what value of x is a undefined? X must be equal to what? 7. So this is the answer. So this is the end of this topic. See you in the other class. Please kindly subscribe to this channel for more of this. Thank you.